another effect what I wanted to show you, which is available in the free version, is voiceover. So if you go here, you can see this mic. You can click on the voiceover, and then if you do it for the first time, I think it would ask you something. And if you go click on these three dots, you can do enable 3-second countdown. So then you become ready for the voiceover. And then file name, we can do maybe test. And audio input, if you have any mic connected, then you can do DaVinci Resolve MacBook Pro. Let's try with the iPhone. Should we try? What if we do Adi's iPhone? Oh, so we connected to Aditya's MacBook Pro. So now my iPhone is the voice recording app. That's really cool. So if I just press record, it's gonna be starting now. So here is the audio recording from my iPhone, I think. I'm not sure, but it's for sure is recording with the mic from my laptop. I'm sure it's recording from the mic from the laptop. I put my phone away and let's see how that sounds. So it is actually recorded on the audio 10, but you can also choose what track it should record on. So let's record again and let's see if it's on the one. So here I'm going to be doing a voice recording, and I am doing a voice recording in DaVinci Resolve, and I don't know why it is red, but it should turn green when I turn up the recording. Of course it's red because I'm recording. So let's see how that sounds. I'm sure it's going to sound really bad because I'm so far away. So here I'm going to be doing a voice recording, and I am doing there's a lot of echo, but yeah, you can do voice recording in your iPhone. No, not from the iPhone, but from the MacBook Pro microphone. A voice recording in DaVinci Resolve. So yeah, that's really handy when you're sort of watching something and you have to record the voice at the same time. So that was it for effects, and yeah, I would say really just explore a lot of effects and you would find so much value from just exploring everything. And yeah, that was the effects panel, and now let's move on to some text animation because that is also a whole another world in DaVinci. So let's go.